Hey guys, the lighting is kind of awkward right now, but I just wanted to show you guys, or tell you guys what I'm doing. This is gonna be kind of like a vlog style video. So yeah, oh my gosh, I'm procrastinating so bad. Like I need to do things and I don't want to, and I'm not doing it yet, and here I am. So anyway, so my plan today is to take all this down, and I need to actually put this. Okay, so what's gonna happen is I'm gonna be redecorating everything, basically, and all this stuff. So okay, so this video I guess is gonna be both for you guys. I'm gonna do actually my Christmas decorations and my vanity. That's the surprise that I was talking about. It's gonna be I'm redecorating my vanity. I'm redoing my vanity, you could say. So I'm actually gonna be using this stuff here. So that right there. So 5-drawer rolling letter press from Michaels. That's what I'm going to be using to create my vanity. Oh, and I got that printer for 20 bucks. So, and some Black Friday stuff I got. So I have this to work with and organize, as well as all this over here, which is Christmas stuff and some other stuff, and a pillow and some DIY stuff using that pillow. So all my makeup that you see here, I am so sorry for the mess. It's disgusting, I know. But, I mean, you guys must relate on some level, you know? So yeah, this needs to be boxed and put away, or moved out of the way. So this can be put up, that can be made, and put in here. So once those drawers are up in this location, then all the stuff that I boxed can go ready to go. So what I'm planning to do is probably use bags, because I don't think I have any boxes, and put the lip stuff with the lips, the eyes with the eyes, face with the face, you know what I mean? So once I have the drawers ready, I can just put them in there. And I do want acrylic organizers, or some kind of organizers, but right now I am, you know, I spent my money on Black Friday, so I have to wait till next paycheck to be able to get those things. So this is the before, and I can post that in between and the after. So yeah, a mess, I know. And I have to give a special shout out to Alfonso, because Alfonso surprised me with this vanity maybe like last year around Christmas time, before Christmas, around there. And I honestly was like, oh, thank you. I don't know, I wasn't so into makeup as I am now. I like jumped into it, so now I can't live without it. I love it. I cherish it. So yeah, if you want to know the details of how he created it, just let me know and I can link it down below, the details. But yeah, so, and this mirror I've had for about 2 years now. I got it from Ross or Didi's. It was 20 bucks. And what's really cool about it is it has different light settings, as you can tell. So that's really cool. So there's that. So yeah, time to start boxing and bagging stuff. But I'm super excited. I'm waiting for Alfonso to get off work so he can put those two together. And yeah, let's do this. So yeah, hi. That's so yeah, I'm actually really liking that kind of decor where it's black, white, and gold, as you can tell. So that's my theme, and that bag is just so cute right there. So I'm hoping. Oh, and my little J. I love that J. My initials on it. You guys, I think this camera is pretty good. Honestly, it's pretty amazing. Don't you think? Oh, and this little thing here that actually lights up. Can you guys tell it's lit up? Yeah. I actually got it at Didi's for like, no, I'm sorry, 99 cents only, for maybe like 5 bucks. So, and the batteries were only $1 there. So, and then the decor you see here is from Didi's as well. So yeah, I'm super excited. Honestly, you guys, just a side note, I bought this maybe like a couple weeks ago, and I don't want to use it. I'm not scared. Maybe I am. Just don't want to, you pay $20 for something, for a sponge, and I'm just, it's like a trophy to me or something. So yeah. Okay then. We'll see you guys in a little while. Bye. Peace. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've probably done this video twice already. And here we are again. Anyway, so here is my final desk, or final vanity creation, or DIY that I created. So we can start off with my little decorations I've put. Merry Christmas. All these things you see here are from the dollar store, so they're really cute, or Dollar Tree. And then we have this DIY I made with the from the dollar store. If you guys want a video on this, let me know. This is kind of like a couple weeks old. So I have my face brushes, my eye brushes, and blush and highlight brushes, priming sprays, and setting sprays, as well as a few things of mine. That perfume is new. It smells really good. I have my Christmas frame from last year up already. It's never too early. So there's that. And sadly that light bulb went out. Like each and every one of them is going out slowly but surely. Like those two are already replaced, and now that one's out too. So let me show you a better angle of it. Ooh, I almost tripped on my board. So this is that's my clothes I'm wearing today. So that's what it looks like, and it is a DIY. So I put all these things together. It wasn't, you know, everything I bought separately or made separately. So yeah, I'll link everything down below. So starting off with this, Alfonso made that using a 2x4 piece of wood. He cut it to equal 7 inches off the ground, so it would be, or 7 inches in length. So that's why that's there, because the drawers themselves are really short. So that's 7 inches long on each end. So that's that. The drawers I got at Michael's. They were on sale for $40. The tabletop I got at Lowe's. Alfonso bought that at Lowe's for me. I bought the drawers. He had the wood, so he put that together, and he bought the top for me. The mirror sadly broke when we were moving everything around. It broke, so it doesn't light up anymore. I'm sad. I loved it. Had it for about 2 years, so I will get a new one shortly, hopefully. Over here, I finally organized everything. That's why I made the video twice, and a third time because it just didn't look good for you guys, and I wanted it to be clean. So I took the time to clean it, finally. So yeah, here's my $20 printer that I got from Walmart on Black Friday. I've yet to use it because I don't have paper. And my little this is a coupon that I want to use, little to take notes, and a little scrapbook I created for me and Alfonso and everything, my dad. So yeah, just, that's messing up. I hate that. This has happened so many times now. So yeah, this is when me and Alfonso went to Color Factory in San Francisco for my birthday. Talking about my birthday, it's January 6th. It's almost here. And then that's just a little gift I gave Alfonso. So I left it here with all this like crafty stuff, I guess. My little pencil holder. It's actually Alfonso bought it for me in actual Tijuana. Yeah. So that's where the cup came from. The little DIY I made with the letter. Got that for, I believe, 30% off at Michael's the day I went on Black Friday. This really good candle from Bath & Body I got for $5. I need to go get more. This is amazing. It smells really good. And my little plant Alfonso got me for 10 months. Still going strong. And here, I got that frame from the dollar store, Dollar Tree. When I say dollar store, it's probably Dollar Tree, so just keep that in mind. Sign as well from 99¢ only. It's kind of old, honestly, but my theme after Christmas is over. You can't tell very well, but my theme after Christmas is going to be stripes, black, white, and gold. So that's that. Over here, I just have my Kylie lip kits, my sunglasses, and a little cute Sephora bag. Down here, I have all my creams, lotions, perfumes in the back. They're all used and old. I need to get new ones. Over here, some cute stuff I have that I wanted to like put on display. Look it says Pug Life, you guys. And this, look at how small this is. Look it, that's a beauty blender, and that's the cheese thingy. I don't know if I mentioned it in my last video, but I honestly don't want to use my beauty blender. I've had it maybe a couple weeks now. I'm just scared. I'm scared to use it. I mean, if I pay $20 for a sponge, I'd rather use it or, you know, have it on display. And then that, I just loved it so much, so I got it. I went to McDonald's just for that toy. Guys, I got a call, and this is so cute. I've already used it on Alfonso. Oh, if I can reach it. Okay. Literally what it says. It's so cute. And so the bottom is just junk. Not junk. Like, that's kind of like my arts and crafts. The orange thing is a first aid kit. Pink thing right there is my blood pressure cuff and some magazines and stuff like that. So I mean, trust me, it's a lot more organized than what it was. So yeah. So, and one last thing to show you is my Black Friday stuff. Oh, and yeah, about this. This is all my Christmas stuff. Some DIYs, some more decorations, and stuff like that. So yeah. So for now, this is my new makeup vanity. I love it. I hope you guys do too. I'll link all the details and stuff down below. If you have any questions, just feel free to comment. Don't be shy, and please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Please and thank you. So in total for Black Friday, I bought these drawers. The I forgot what they're called, but they're basically IKEA dupes for the Alex drawers. Yes. And this printer, I bought that, and some stuff from Ulta, and some clothes. I bought a pajama set for $10 at Walmart. I bought Alfonso a Dickie sweater and some socks he needed for work. What else did I buy? I think that's pretty much it. Yeah. So let me go ahead and just show you guys what's in the Ulta bag. Honestly, personally, I don't think there's very many good deals, but I'll leave that up to you guys. So this is originally $10, and it was 50% off. It says beauty gems. I guess this, like, these little gift sets were 50% off, so I got this one. But first, lipstick. So it has 3 lipsticks and a mirror. I actually personally wanted the mirror, like a compact mirror, just to have it when I need it. So that's personally why I bought it. And, oh, this is from Michael's. I bought it when I bought the J. I bought this for Alfonso, A for Alfonso. I don't know where I'm going to put it yet, but somewhere. And this. I bought this. I love the pack. I honestly bought it more for the packaging than the mascara itself. So it says Man Eater. It's from Tarte. It's a mascara, volumizing mascara. Oh, I'm sorry, volume something. Volume? Yeah, you know what that says. And luckily I got it in black. Let me open it for you so you guys can see what it looks like. Oh, what's this say? It says Double Duty Beauty. Okay. So this is what it looks like. That's cute. Is it not so cute, you guys? So yeah, this is it. And this was on sale, regularly priced $23. I got it for $10. And I honestly saw it on my way out. So I was like, I want this. So yeah, this is my new makeup vanity. I hope you guys like it, like I said. And feel free to leave a comment down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. If you'd like a detailed view of what's inside my makeup drawers, please comment down below letting me know you want to see my makeup collection, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. I'm excited. So yeah, just comment down below that you would like to see my makeup collection, and I will upload that video for you guys. So yeah, and I do want to apologize to everyone that I've been MIA or not posting. It's because I got 2 new jobs that I'm grateful for, and you know, life is happening. So yeah, but I'm gonna try and post once a week at least. So yeah, today is Wednesday. I do apologize. I promised this would be up Monday, but it's going up today. What else? I think that's pretty much it for updates. So yeah. Oh, and we're at 34 subscribers. 34, you guys. I'm so happy. I'm so excited, and I'm just like, I was, you know, we were stuck at 30, 31 for the longest, and we jumped to 34. So thank you everyone who is subscribed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.